mentally, he's just far and away better than everyone else, physically as well.
Yeah,
clearly.
he's still got it.
He does indeed.
And it's always fun to watch him in interviews and competitions.
No doubt.
Okay, so we're mid-September, right? And you think it's like straight up fall all the time, but the forecast is showing summer still hanging on a little bit.
Yeah, it definitely is going to maybe feel like the middle of August as opposed to September tomorrow, but the good news is it's short-lived. So if you're itching to kind of get that fall season going, we got the forecast for you. Yeah, you just got to pack your patience. Wait another 24 hours or so as really nice conditions are found across our area right now. Nothing but bright blue, sunny, clear skies. Very little snow on Oregon's highest peak, Mount Hood there off in the distance, as PDX currently hovers in the mid-70s. See much of the same up and down the I-5 corridor. Slightly cooler out towards the west in Hillsborough, upper 60s. Seeing those mid to upper 60s along the coastline as our temperatures are falling just below the 80-degree mark out towards the Hood River area. But the clear conditions that take us through the rest of the night as temperatures start to slide back into the mid-60s, but nowhere near as chilly as, say, those 40s and 30s for some of us that we experienced earlier this morning. Not the case tonight as calm, quiet, and clear skies take us from the coast to the Cascades and even farther east than that, as a few clouds still hang over the Blue Mountains. But over the next 6 to 10 days, we are anticipating slightly wetter conditions to start to creep their way back into the Pacific Northwest. That takes us through about the end of September, as our rain deficit is now a surplus. It's only 2/100ths of an inch, but we will take it thanks to the beneficial rain we saw back on Sunday, also helping to shrink, I should say, our yearly rain deficit that is just below 3 inches, as our temperatures are expected to start to trend on the warmer side over the next week and a half or so. And one of the warming trends that we will feel tomorrow is due to those easterly winds, gusting close to about 25 to 30 miles per hour, also known as the downsloping winds. It's the air that descends over the high terrain of the Cascades into the valley spots, and for the coast, it warms up, it speeds up, and it dries things out, so likely going to be increasing our fire threat as well, as no records are expected to be broken. The top row, that's where our forecasted highs are. 83 for Astoria, so definitely flirting with these summer-like conditions, but again, not likely to break any records as high pressure is short-lived. It's expected to really impact us on Tuesday before we start to feel the influence of this latest low and very shallow trough to just clip the Pacific Northwest, bringing those temperatures back down to the upper 70s and low 80s through the end of the week. So we'll time it out here with the Futurecast. There's those easterly winds that we will experience to help warm things up by tomorrow afternoon and evening. They start to taper back, and an onshore flow for Wednesday increases the marine layer for the coast, the cloud coverage. As we steer clear of that for the I-5 corridor, it will drop those temperatures back down closer to that average as we move our way into the end of the week. Tonight, 60 degrees, that's where we expect to fall to. And for tomorrow, expected to warm things up quite rapidly in the afternoon hours, mid-80s for us, if not even the upper 80s is the end goal at 88, with those gusty winds nearing about 20 to 30 miles per hour. Our 7-day forecast does paint a pretty dry picture for us until we get to the end of the week. That's when temperatures begin to cool, fall back to the low 80s. We increase the cloud coverage, and it's almost a rinse and repeat scenario for Sunday as opposed to what we saw just yesterday. A few scattered showers on Sunday. That's the final day of summer as we enter into the autumn season 1 week from today with a high of 76.
Oh my gosh, then it'll really feel like fall.
Then it should really start to feel like it.
Okay, it's coming.
Yeah.
It is. We'll be right back.